name is Emily Scott. I'm going to be your instructor for this museum studies course starting September 15th. To give you a little bit of background about myself, I have a degree in museum studies from the University of Aberdeen in Scotland. Throughout this degree, I was able to curate an exhibit focused on lightkeepers and their social lives. Also throughout that degree, I was able to explore different museums around the UK and Europe, so I was able to understand how museums work internationally. I also have experience in Canadian museums. As you'll see, I'm in front of a museum right now, which is called the Royal BC Museum. I spent some time in this museum on an archives barcoding project. The aim of this project was to make the collections accessible through an online database. I was just making sure that what was on the museum database was actually on the shelves. So just going through these collections in the shelves was a good experience to be able to look at, the different conditions that collections can have. Something I really like about museums is how we can explore histories and cultures through specific objects. That's something I hope to bring to this course, sort of looking at, national history collections as well as just specific objects that might represent an entire culture or an entire history. That kind of stuff is really interesting to me. Other things that interest me about museums is how it can engage the community and how people who might not know anything about a specific history can go in a museum and just learn in a way that suits them and in a pace that suits them. So these are different things that I'm going to be bringing to this course, and I really hope you'll join me, and I really hope you'll learn something.